Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙗𝗶𝗹 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. Hi, in this video I will teach you basics of animations in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get into it. As a first step, as always, we need to get rid of these two text boxes, so you can always select them both and just backspace or delete them, but the better way to do so is right-click, layout, and choose layout as a blank. Alright, so as you can see, here in this animations tab, there are placed animations, but now they are all grayed out. That's because we do not have anything selected. So just insert anything, let's say an oval. Okay? And as you can see now, I can create any oval as I want, but if I would like to create a perfect oval, so with proportions blocked, proportions 1:1, I just have to press Shift key while I create this shape. Alright. And let's say maybe align this oval to middle and to the center. So go to the shape format tab, and here in align you have align center, perfect, and align middle. Alright, so now please select your shape, and now you can go to the animations tab. As you can see, now we can select any animation that we want. So there are some types of animation. The first type is entrance effects. So you can animate any object to as an entrance. The second is emphasis. You can just emphasize your image, your object, for example, by spinning it, or teeter, or grow shrink, etc, etc. The third is exit. So, now there is an object, and if we would like this object to disappear, then we can use, for example, wipe, split, etc, etc. And here, the last one, you have motion paths. So if you would like, in this situation, if you would like this oval to be from right to left, to kinda make a line, a path, right? But as you can see, for example, in entrance effects, we have only about 10 effects, right? But as you can see right here, you have more entrance effects. So just click it, and as you can see now, there are all effects that are available for entrance in PowerPoint. The same, for example, in emphasis, just click it, and here you have all. The same to exit effects, and the same to more motion paths. Exactly. Alright, so let's add maybe a simple animation to this oval. So maybe let's choose wheel. Alright, as you can see now, if we selected this animation, there is a preview. For example, if I would like to change it to the shape, as you can see now, there is a preview of this effect. Alright. So you can also turn off this preview by clicking here, and just auto preview, just deselect it, right? Okay, so please click right here, animation pane, and a new window pop up. So this is your oval, and here is your animation. And as you can see right here, you have duration of this animation and delay of this animation. If we set duration to less, for instance 0.25, this animation will be really quick. Let's preview it by clicking here, play from. As you can see, it was really quick. So maybe let's take 1 second and preview it. I think it's perfect. Alright, so you can also add some delay, but we will talk about it a little bit soon. So here you have this animation, so please right click on it, and as you can see, you can choose start on click, start with previous, or start after previous. So you can make this animation start when you click your mouse with previous animation, or after previous animation. So maybe let's choose with previous, and as you can see, if I select start from beginning, so go to the slideshow, it will start immediately, right? And that's when delay can do something, because if you set, for instance, delay to 1 second, and now let's preview it, as you can see, only after 1 second this animation started playing. Alright, so the next thing I would like you to know is right here, effect options. So majority of animations have effect options. So for example, in this case, in case of wheel, this effect is going from top to bottom and to the left, so clockwise, right? So if you click here, you can select 1 spoke, 2 spokes, 3 spokes, 4 and 8. So let's maybe choose 3. And as you can see, the effect is a little bit different, right? Perfectly. So yeah, here you can modify your effect. And next thing I'd like to teach you is, if you right click on your animation, here you have effect options and timing. So just click one of these, and as you can see, a new window pop up. So here, effects, all of course spokes, you can, in this case you can select 1, 2, 4 or 8 spokes, so the same like was here. Also you can add sound, for instance, voltage, and after animation what you would like this object to do after animation. Of course you can hide after animation, but it's really useless, so just don't dim. Alright, timing. Here you can set duration, like here was. Here you can set your delay, like here. And here start with previous, on click, or after previous. But here there is an option that you might not know, repeat. So you can repeat this animation, for instance 2 times, for until next click, or until end of slide. Alright, and you can always type here something, for instance 20 repeats. It will be repeating 20 times. And rewind when done playing. Let me check it, what it is. It rewinds this animation, right? Exactly. And triggers, about triggers I will be recording a completely new tutorial, so I will not talk about triggers right now. If you are interested in triggers, how to trigger an animation, just watch my future video. And here the last thing is text animation. It's only related to the text, so you can animate text as one object, all paragraphs at once, etc, etc. But in our case, in this case, it's useless. Alright, so so you might wonder, how do I create two animations to an object, right? So right now we have only one animation, so you might think, alright, so I just click drop down arrow and maybe select, let's say, teeter. But as you can see, now we still have only one animation, but now we have a teeter instead of wheel, right? So no, actually it's not a way to do so. You have to click right here, add animation. But if you'd like to learn more about it, just watch my earlier video, because also I created a tutorial about this. Alright, so these were basics about animations in PowerPoint. If you liked this tutorial, please give us likes below. Place a comment if you didn't like this tutorial or you did it. And what do you think about our channel? And what types of videos you like the most. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.